Sweet chest stopping. Somebody help me sing, y'all.
What up, Zoom Tribe? All right, y'all. This conversation is about BLASIANS. The first Blasian I ever dated was a girl named Lisa Wu. She had a sister named Sherry Wu. We were teenagers. What was interesting about the Wu sisters is that usually when there's a biracial child, 9 times out of 10, the father is black. In this situation, the mother was black and the father was Asian, hence the last name Wu. Lisa went on to star on a reality show later on. I don't remember which one it was, but she also has a baby with R&B singer Keith Sweat. Prior to that, the first Blasian I remember seeing is Ray Don Chong. Chris Brown was in love with Karrueche Tran, who was also Blasian. Cassie Ventura, the one that was previously involved with P. Diddy, is Blasian. The singer Her, who I call Gabby because I noticed when she was 10 years old, she's Blasian. The term Blasian means black and Asian, used to describe people of mixed race, African or African American and Asian descent. It's emerged as a casual slang term in the 1990s to describe this specific mixed heritage. Now we're going to get into the historical context. The black and Asian communities in America have interacted since the late 19th and early 20th centuries, primarily through immigration and shared experiences of discrimination. In places like Hawaii and the West Coast, as well as military deployments in Asia, example the Vietnam War, the Korean War, relationships between black Americans and Asians, especially Southeast Asians, developed, contributing to the rise of Blasian families. Now, the term Blasian gained more recognition in pop culture as celebrities and public figures of mixed black and Asian descent gained prominence. People began to embrace the term to describe their unique identity, and it entered the lexicon of racial and cultural identity in the U.S. All right, now this is something I found out recently when I went to Brazil. The story of Japanese Brazilians is a fascinating part of Brazil's cultural and immigration history. The Japanese community in Brazil is the largest Japanese diaspora in the world, with over 1.5 million people of Japanese descent living in the country. This population has led to a significant influence on Brazilian society, particularly in agriculture, industry, and culture. Here's a deeper look at the history. In the early 20th century, the first Japanese immigrants arrived in Brazil on June 18, 1908, aboard the ship Kasato Maru. Brazil needed labor to work in its coffee plantations after the abolition of slavery in 1888, and Japan was experiencing economic hardship due to overpopulation and limited farmland. This led to an agreement between Japan and Brazil to encourage immigration. The first wave of Japanese immigrants were mostly rural workers attracted by the promise of work on Brazil's vast coffee plantations in the state of Sao Paulo. However, the working conditions were harsh, and many immigrants found life to be more difficult than they had anticipated. After World War II, a second wave of Japanese immigration to Brazil occurred. During this period, Japan had been devastated by the war, and many Japanese people sought better opportunities abroad. Brazil again became a popular destination due to its expansive agricultural opportunities. By this time, Japanese Brazilians had already begun to establish strong agricultural communities, especially in Sao Paulo and Paraná. Today, Japanese Brazilians celebrate their heritage through cultural festivals such as the Festival da Japão, Japan Festival, held annually in Sao Paulo. These events celebrate Japanese traditions, including music, dance, martial arts, and food. One of the most famous neighborhoods in Sao Paulo is Liberdade. I hope I said that right. Liberdade, known for its concentration of Japanese businesses, restaurants, and temples. On top of that, many Japanese Brazilians have succeeded in various industries, including education, business, and technology. Now let's get back to what I was talking about. With the Blasian situation, I ran across this beautiful Blasian, half Thai, half black woman that I thought was absolutely gorgeous, beautiful on the inside and out. We set up to do an interview tonight, and I woke up this morning, I'm in Minnesota right now. I woke up this morning to get a message from her saying that she didn't want to do the interview and she thought it was something else, and, basically regulated me to being a typical, stereotypical passport bro, right? Then one of my guys sent me a video of her making a video where she's clearly upset. Fair use, fair use.
Today I want to bring some topic about how I feel. Somebody wants to collab with me.
That would be me. Now, originally we were supposed to do a collab tonight, but then this happened.
First of all, I am a normal girl. I don't work in the bar. I'm not a bar girl. I'm not that type of woman.
This is what I keep telling you guys. Every woman in Pattaya is not a bar girl. Y'all listen to these goofies and think that everything's the same, and it's not, man. It's different. Anyway, keep going.
I want people to respect me. And since I've been doing videos and all that, I got a lot of nasty messages. But I try to ignore because I don't like it.
Now, this is the part I don't understand. It seems like whatever she went through with someone else, she started projecting it to me. And anybody that knows me, I don't do anything that's off-brand or disrespectful or anything like that. I even sent her the list of questions I would be asking, and she agreed to the questions. Anyway, that's the phone. Let's keep going.
Why can't y'all just, respect me? The thing is, a lot of people want to curl up with me, and y'all doing the passport bro things and all that, passport bro content and all that. But why? Y'all already know that y'all doing that kind of content, and y'all trying to curl up with me and trying to make me look stupid.
Now, I don't think she's directing that part to me, but if she was, I would never want to make you look stupid. You're beautiful, you're smart, you have a lot of potential, and you look like a good actress. Anyway, let's keep going.
Trying to make me look stupid, look like a bar girl, or trying to hook me up with somebody.
I definitely wasn't trying to make you look like a bar girl. In fact, that's the reason why I wanted to do the interview, to break the stereotypes that everybody in Pattaya is bar girls. But this went way to the left.
You think I can't find a boyfriend or something? I try to grow my channel with a good fan, good audience. The audience that really enjoying watching me, not just want to meet me or something, because I got a lot of messages. I got a lot of email trying to meet me or something. I'm not interested in that, guys.
Okay, I see what's going on now. There's a lot of thirsty-ass, low-vibrational dudes that will say things to her that are rude and insensitive. And I don't blame her for feeling this way. This is what I tell you guys about the matrix thinking. They don't operate that way in Thailand. In her mind, she's just trying to show her life and have a good time and enjoy being Blasian. She doesn't understand there's another element that comes with that. Anybody that's popular, especially on YouTube, you're gonna get negativity and hate and these demons that come after you because their lives are so screwed up. They can't stand to see someone else happy. I mean, when you think about it, she's minding her own business, having a good time, enjoying her life, trying to send positive vibes to people. And then these demons show up at your channel out of the blue, negative, and that's a demonic spirit. I get everything from lady cab drivers with receding hairlines to booty goons with their evil spirits trying to throw smut on my name. But I'm a man, I can deal with it. This is a female. She's a fragile young woman who doesn't understand the energy that she's getting. She thinks it's a passport bro thing. This is where racism begins, guys. Passport bro started as a good movement, positive, and like the little kid over in Japan that was walking around doing stupid stuff, acting a fool. For no reason, just for clicks and views and attention. This is why we gotta shut these fools down. They're deliberately trying to make it bad for all of us. And one last thing, about the pictures being used without permission, that is absolutely not true. This is why it's always good to have a text message thread. That way, if anybody loses their memory, you can always refer back to the message. So in closing, whatever they did to you, I apologize, even though I wasn't the one that did it. But I can see your frustration, where it comes from. And if you ever change your mind, you're always welcome back to my channel. And by the way, shoot your shot is not a bad thing. It means to have a conversation with you and see what happens. It does not mean anything disrespectful. It's just American slang. So with that being said, I hope we cleared this up. Now, y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers. Choose any 1 of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin' on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin' on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel OG from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoom to Thailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice, of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom-fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4 and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate if you get your payment in before March 1st. Now, for those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, this package is for you. The James Bond Executive Platinum Package. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice with Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya. Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package. And of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel OG, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of the $500 off of any package. Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App. Zoom to Thailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand. And if you have any other questions, email us zoomtothailand@gmail.com. ZoomFest 2024. Let's get it. right, y'all. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about. How long you been here?
4 days.
Hey, 4 days.
4 days.
Did I exaggerate about anything?
I got nothing at all. Nothing.
Hey, you loving it? You loving it?
Every day is getting better. I can't believe it's this good.
Man, come on, man. It's hard. You can't explain it. You have to come to really see it. Now, what about you, little guy?
I've
what you
been
think?
here a little over 3 weeks now, and it's all that in a bag of chips.
Man.
I mean, honestly, the man did not exaggerate. It's we were just talking about it's hard to lose out here. If you lose out here, you sandbagging, you trying to get the first pick in the draft. But you ain't got to wait till next season.
You ain't got to wait till next season.
Every day is game day.
Every day is Saturday.
But,
every night is Saturday night.
Yeah, it is. It's refreshing. Yeah. Let me just say that it's refreshing.
Absolutely, man.
Definitely.
So glad you made it.
Loving it. Hey, you're a big part of it, honestly.
Appreciate you.
Because the info you putting out is right on point, and it definitely helped me decide to go ahead and pull the trigger.
We can't make this skit up. I say skit, not shit. But I gotta switch it for my YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, we said skit, not shit. Yeah, well, now I just said shit, but you get it.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.